Guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's time like 5 p.m. in the evening, and we all roommates are going to Nandi Hills. We have seen the sunrise from there not many times, might be one time or two times, but this time we are going to watch the sunset. So we are in bit hurry. We started just 15 minutes back, and still we have to go like around 55 kilometers from here. Right now we are just crossing the Reva University. Wow, it's looking damn beautiful over there. Just look at the view. I know this camera is not doing any justice, but you have to come here to feel this beauty. I guess this is the last one. Oh yeah, reached, I still can see some little bits of lights over there. So I must say we have done well. So guys, at least we have made it. কি বললো এই পুরো জার্নিতে কিন্তু একমাত্র আরামে এসছে সৌমাবো, পুরো পিছনে ল্যাদ খেতে 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 এসছে। So in night also the view is not that bad. I must say it's a different kind of beauty. Just look at this. তাহলে আমরা কি আর উপরে যাচ্ছি না? না না না, বেশি উপরে যেতে। So we guys have decided there is no meaning of going at the top. We already have been there. As well, we are very tired. It's damn beautiful. I can see the moon as well. This little dot over here, white dot, is the moon. अरे पाल Now here comes the most scariest part. We are coming down through the hairpin bends. I have no control over my scooter. It's just going down on its own. It's better to be safe than fast. Actually, coming down is much more easier than going up. Seriously. When the last time I did it on cycle, my cycle was clocking around 60 to 65 kilometers per hour while coming down. I measured this speed on GPS speedometer. While cycling, it took us around 1.5 hours to climb up, but while coming down, it took only 15 minutes. Can you believe that? So we have decided to take some snacks on the way. There is a good cafe on the national highway, NH7, so we might go there. Let's see. So we guys have reached NH7 Reefwell. Decoration is nice, and I guess a live music performance also happens over here. And we are going to the rooftop area. Already so many people are there. Here is some nice prawn chili, and here comes chicken keema paratha, chicken butter garlic noodles, and fish Manchurian. So guys, I am just about to reach my home. If nothing miracle happens, I should reach my home within 10 minutes. But if I have to rate this trip to Nandi Hills with the trip which I made on cycle, I will always put that on the first. That cycling trip I will always put on the first, because that we had to do so much of struggle to reach at the top. We had to give every bit of juice whatever was left within us. Still we enjoyed that trip in every moment. Yeah, this trip was good, obviously very much good, very much relaxing, but you know, the struggle was very less here. So if you have liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any tips for me, let me know in the comment section below. And people who are from Bangalore who want me to do some other trip near around Bangalore, let me know as well. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe my channel. सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार, फ्री है, इतना मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, एक सब्सक्राइब करने में क्या आ जाता है, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कमेंट सब कुछ कर दो. See you on the next video guys. Happy weekend.